Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making smoked elk brisket. This recipe takes 30-minute plus overnight to prep and 12 to 14 hours to cook. Serves 12 to 15 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 8 to 10 pound elk brisket, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons paprika, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, an apple or hickory wood chips. Step 1. Dry rub. Combine all spices and seasonings, apply generously to all surfaces of brisket. Wrap and refrigerate overnight. Step 2. Smoker preparation. Prepare smoker for 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Soak wood chips for 30 minutes. Step 3. Initial smoking. Place brisket fat side up in smoker. Add soaked wood chips and maintain 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Long cook. Smoke 10 to 12 hours until internal temperature reaches 195 to 205 degree F and meat probes tender. Step 5. Wrapping option. After 6 to 8 hours, wrap in butcher paper or foil to push through stall if desired. Step 6. Resting. Remove from smoker and rest wrapped for 1 to 2 hours in cooler. Step 7. Slicing. Slice against the grain for optimal tenderness. Serve with barbecue sauce on the side. And that's how you make smoked elk brisket. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.